Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. You guys saw from the title and thumbnail, we're mounting an iPad in the truck today. Now it seems to be pretty easy. We're working with an awesome company today, but first things first, I'm just gonna make it part of that video today. We need to clean out the whole inside of this truck. It hasn't got cleaned since we had all the doors off, spraying primer, sanding. It's just not good. My back seats are freaking covered. I'm gonna use some detailed stuff today to try to wipe this out. So with that being said, y'all, let's try to clean it. I mean, dirty, it is freaking dirty. There's just toilet paper back there. There's a ton of stuff. Let's go to the front. It's bad up here, but y'all can just see the dash. I mean, you wipe your hand and there's just nothing but tons of dirt, so we want to fully clean the inside of this truck out today. We got a shop vac. Like I said, we'll use some interior stuff, but we need to put a hurting on her. And Dylan's back.
What's going on, y'all?
Here for the weekend, man.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna be helping out in the video today, like old times. So let's get to work, man. So while we're cleaning out, there's a ton of stuff in this truck, like this bullet antenna. I got color mats, a lot of the stuff we took off the doors to pull them off. So I was gonna save it for a whole separate video, but y'all, we're just gonna install this stuff. So while I'm organizing, Austin's gonna go around to all the doors, put the unlock switch back in, the little door handle panel looking joker. So Austin, leave it to him. The inside of the truck is looking a whole lot better. We're getting it nice and cleaned up in here. Show you guys the back seat really quick. But they're still pretty dirty, like all that right there. Now we're gonna try to get some interior cleaner in here, try to clean this up the way it needs to be. She cleaned up super nice. Wasn't really a good detail, but it was just to clean up just a little bit. Back's looking pretty good too. I'm happy with it. Just so we can get some of the boys in here so we can start working on the iPad mount up there. I'm happy with it. Like I said, y'all, the iPad mount, yes, we're doing it. I have some plans with it, and we'll talk about it more in the video, but I want to show you guys who we're working with. Show you how this mount was 3D printed out. Hold on, where's my light? It was 3D printed out. We'll take it out in the light so I can show you guys what we're working with. I'm excited about this. What y'all been waiting for this video, and the title and thumbnail was us installing an iPad in my 05 Cateye. So I actually saw this on TikTok and it looked pretty cool to me. It was I think it was a Duramax that it was installed, but it's kind of the same thing. So I'm talking to the guy, we got in contact, and here we go, guys. I have one in my hands. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna pull this out. This is customconsoles.net. This is a 3D printed placement or fitting that you can get, and when it comes with a charger too. So pretty much, guys, this is what it is. Let me try to get the better. I have no light in here. Hold on. There we go. So customconsoles.net, I'm gonna show you guys the iPad I have. I had an iPad mini. I actually made an agreement with my girlfriend that she had it. If I went and bought her a new one, I can have this one, so that's what we did. So pretty much guys, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna show you guys actually how it mounts in the truck. Like I said, it's 3D printed, so it's got the pretty little harness clips behind it. Am I missing anything, Dilio? I guess that comes with a charger too. That's what we'll plug up. It's got a little side port, so when it goes like that, it can go straight up or straight down. I'm actually not sure how we're gonna mount it or we're gonna install it, but
leave a prediction right now. How many pieces of plastic you think we're gonna have to cut?
Oh, I know. I'm hoping not though, because that's really gonna suck. So one of the cool things about this, reason why I want to get this one, you really wouldn't have any type of touchscreen in a truck. In my year models, I thought it was gonna be pretty cool, and I actually have a custom sub box getting built right now. Guys, I don't listen to any music when I drive. That's just the way I am, but the red truck gets nicer. I wanted to have my friends in it. I mean, with the traveling truck, you gotta have some music. So we got that built, and in theory, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but it'd be badass if I can actually control all of my music and pretty much have like a touchscreen in a newer vehicle in my old truck, and that would be this iPad. And also too, if that doesn't go that way, I can get a second port, like my tuner's in right now, so I can have all my gauges ran right in front. I'm gonna show you guys how this mounts, hopefully this is gonna work. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so what I'm truly thinking, we have our ports right here for electrical, and I'm not really sure. It's confusing, I don't know, but all we gotta do first, I'm reckoning, is just pry behind this and see if we can get this to lift up. If I mess up this piece, it really doesn't matter, because we're not gonna be using it again.
Let's see if we can get something behind.
There's one. Oh, just pop back in.
There's probably no clips on the middle.
There we go. All right, let's work our way down.
All right, she's out.
Like that. Alright, so let's see what we're getting ourselves into here. So what we're doing right now, guys, we have to disconnect our power to the cigarette lighters. However may these come out.
There's one. Yep, there's one.
Oh, I got it. Well, technically, these should be able to wobble out now. Oof, there's something.
There goes one piece. Push on it a little. There we go.
Well, there goes that. I'm just curious.
There's the gray one.
If I plug this back in.
Oh, you're gonna put that big thing behind there?
No.
Do you have another one?
No. Should see if I still have power.
Probably not. You probably short out the whole truck.
Lift this up. Ah, we got power. All right. Also, I need one of these. I need a small one. Hook that. That's what my last charging port was. So sorry if I'm not explaining it that good, guys, but what we had two cigarette lighters pretty much. We popped them out. This was another one, but we're not really gonna need to use that. So I have my main one hooked up now. We still have power, so technically I can sit this back here, this out of the way. There's too many wires in this truck, man. Sit that back there. Actually, I need to plug it in first. We're gonna plug in to have power, just like that. So this is my iPad, y'all. Let's go ahead and pop it out the case. So how this mount truly works is that's your charging port on this side. The iPad goes in like so. It pops and then it like that.
It's locked in here like
like that. That's how she locks in. So we need to charge it to run our power. All right, so if we tuck this wire behind here, this one we're good on, but I think this one's hitting, so we're gonna go ahead and snip that. Nope. That will never be found again.
That ain't coming. That ain't moving.
No.
That's golden.
That's money, dude. All right, y'all, we got it installed. We can open it up, we can slide, do whatever we gotta do. Like I said, I don't know what I really wanna have happen yet with it being paired to music, or Edge might actually have a Bluetooth, so I might be able to pair my gauges here too, which would be pretty cool. But one concern I do have, when we were packing up, about to go to Austin's house, my truck was dead and it took us like 20 minutes to try to jump that thing off, because right now, the headlights and the wheel lights are pulling Bluetooth power constantly, just like my Tahoe was, and that's why we had to get an ignition switch put in that truck, and now we're all good to go. So the fact that those two are going to be pulling power and the iPad is constantly going to be charging them, I don't think these pull that much power, but mixed with the other two, my truck's probably going to be dead tomorrow. So we have to put an ignition switch in here for that problem to be solved. But overall, like I said, y'all, custom consoles, they completely hooked it up. We only had to cut one thing. It could have worked, but we cut it just to make it fit a little bit better. But this thing is locked, secure, not moving. Extremely happy with it.